Hello, Mr. Joseph Trades here. Off to a late start. That's okay. Let's see if I can avoid a copyright infringement today. Let's see. Alright, market just opened. Today we've got a quad witching. I'll give you my thoughts on quad witching here in a second. Hopefully today I can avoid a copyright infringement. Apparently the past few days I've been streaming like brand name artists. And so I believe my streams were banned in Russia and Belarus. I'm hoping that doesn't make a big dent on my channel. Before we get started, look at this push to the, we got a bull push at first, but might be just to the top of this range. We've been in a real tight range, consolidating range. We'll go over all this in a second. On a day like today, quad witching, I'm just going to sit back and see if any opportunities present. This is not financial advice, education, entertainment only. Alright, we got a bull push here right at the open. Let's see if they can take it to this pivot point. Pretty common for pivot points to be tested at the open. Don't know how quad witching really affects that. I haven't done in-depth studies. But I guess we'll find out in a second, won't we? Yeah, I got off to a little late start today. Haven't even marked my levels up. Pretty slack, huh? Gotta take it. Get up there. Get up there, quick. 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 Go. Come on, don't do that. Punch it. Pop it up. Just take it. There we go. Quick win to get started. Nice. Well, that's probably it for the day. On that quick pivot point, let's see. I have a lower size on my algo, but that was a nice little gain on it. And this was the account I just traded. So this is a funded take profit trader account. That was a nice little pop. I mean, there's really no need to trade anymore for me. See, this was you might say, well, what happened? Why didn't it go all the way up to this one? Let's see. Because the Ninja Trader one was a little lower, so I always start with the lower of the two. It's easier for it to get to. That being said, it might still pop. So 363. I'm gonna go in for another one to pop up to the second one. Let's see. Let's see if it can get to the second. Targeting 83. Come on, baby. Might not happen. It might though. Punch it up. Punch it up to 83. I should have just stuck with my first win. Now instead of being above my buffer, I'm down 176. I started off with a win. You didn't see that one. Then I got greedy. Let me show you. I caught this move to this pivot. I was up 168. And then I was thinking maybe it would continue, and it might get another entry. 65. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna see if it can push up to the the 83. If it drops back down, of course, we'll go long at the EMA. Quad witching today. See, they got all that liquidity right there. Yeah, I caught the first part to the Ninja Trader one, but then I got greedy. You know what happens when you get greedy. See if we can get a pop to the 83. Call it a day. Just pop it up there. Okay. Be all right. You can pop it. Go ahead. Pop it up. Pop it up. Take it to that pivot. Come on. Gonna do this. Oh my gosh. Let's get up to that second pivot and call it a day. Probably gonna stop me up. That's all right. Nothing new. My algo is already profitable for the day. It's a much better trader than me. Brutal. Just pop it. Looking good, per usual. Gonna be a short session today. Come on. Just pop it. Pop it, then rotate. You've made one pivot, but there's one above that it should go to, hopefully. Let's see. I don't know. I don't know much of anything anymore. Get up there. Go. Push it. Okay, get up to that pivot. Go. I've got 14 micros on. Let's see if it can push to the pivot. Get up there, punch it. Come on. Get up there. There we go. That was a good one. All right. Now I'm done for the day. Okay. That worked like I hoped. So on my funded take profit account, I'm now up to 43. And my algo caught the first pivot point. It caught it a lot more calmly than me. So it's making money. Good. All right. I'm not going to trade anymore today, but I will talk about the markets. I'm really glad to see when price does what I think it'll do. And even sometimes when it doesn't the first time, you get a second entry. So let's take a look at this big channel. So we have been in a bear channel. You can see my magical trend line. So, but it looks like we're moving above it now. So the question is, oh, you want to look at the 4 hour? Okay. Hey, check it out. 4 hour just tested. I didn't even see that. That's interesting. This thing could go and pop up to this pivot next, but I'm not gonna, there's no need for me to trade anymore. Really not. But I wouldn't be surprised to see this rotate to this pivot at least. Looks like it's going. Yeah, there is zero need for me to trade anymore. 10 o'clock, we're prone to reversals. So what could happen? We've already got 15 minutes in the book. We could either keep going higher, or we could take out all this sell side liquidity. I'm gonna get rid of these trend lines because I don't like trend lines. I think they're stupid. And I say that sort of tongue in cheek. I know that they can have validity, but they're so subjective. Like you can draw a trend line anywhere, and if it works out, you go, oh, that was a great trend line. But you know, it's just based on total subjectivity. It's not based on any known level that's known to many market players. Like what I like known levels, like what's known on my screen. Let's see, the EMA is known, the VWAP is known, these pivots are known. What else? There are a few things I'm missing. Let's see. The prior session high already got taken out, so I'm not going to bother with it. Let's look at the prior session low. No, Chad channels. Well, if my name were Chad, maybe it would work, but unfortunately my name is more like Thad. or Brad. Let's see, 160.75. Let me mark this prior session low. I'm pumped, guys. Mr. Joseph trades up for the day in a rare turn of events on discretionary. No need to get greedy now. I'll take on a funded account. I'll take $243 any day. You do that over a week, you got over $1,000. That took like 10 minutes to make, so no need to risk anything at this point. Now, let's say you're trying to pass an Apex challenge. I mean, that might be the case with some of my viewers. Then you might want to get greedy because you might try to, and this thing's going to rotate to the psych level. Look for look how it just keeps going. Look for it to test 700 next. It's already at 65. I'm just going to watch it. You know, I'm going to trade this on a sim account. Just to have some fun. I'm not going to go with, all right, let's go, we're going to take it to the psych level at 98. Did you see what happened as soon as I bought it, it went down? I'm going to put my stop below the signal candle. Which is not realistic whatsoever. Oh my gosh, this is a funded account! I'm just kidding, it's a sim. What if I had 7 micros on and I just had placed a market order with no planning? Yeah, now I'm getting worried. Is that really my sim account? Yes, it is, and it's already down $207. 300, no problem. Let's DCA. Who wants to DCA with me? If you're just joining me, I'm not trading. Actually, I'm gonna run some stops for these bears who don't think it'll go up to the psych level. Let's layer in some stops. There we go. Now, if it pops up to the psych like it tends to do, we're gonna have some bear soup. However, it could just as easily rotate back down. I don't really care. I'm done trading my funded accounts today. Let's go. Oh no, my sim account's about to take a loss. Oh no, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I won't be able to afford my CRV payment. I might have to go to the Wendy's. We gotta do some Christmas shopping today. I have not even started. Pretty pathetic. Let's go. Come on, Bulls. Pop it up. Pop it to that psych level. Or not. I don't really care. Let's punch it up. It did just test the EMA on the 4-hour, so if it kept going, that would be a great sign for the overall market, but, you know, more likely that it goes down at this point, but that's okay. I'm just playing the psych level trade just to see. And I don't really, it's not a concern because this is a sim account for all of those watching worldwide in Belarus and Russia, where my channel is apparently outlawed because I was playing Rufus Del Sol inadvertently yesterday. Just a slight oversight. Can you take me higher? Probably not today. That's okay. Let's have some bear stew and test that psych level. You do that for Uncle Joe? Can you? Or are you gonna flop? Oh yeah, I know. Creed is gonna sue me. Scott Stapp. He's gonna threaten me with a hot tub. Can you take me higher? No, it's not looking too bullish at this point, guys. But you would think they'd want to test that psych level, but yeah, probably not after already. I do like Creed. I enjoy Creed. They're pretty awesome. If you don't, then that's your problem. But I know what you like, and let's just say I'm happy to be a Creed enjoyer. Punch it. Let's get a measured move up to the psych level. I'm gonna layer in orders all the way up. Run some stops. Let's run some stops. We got 8 minutes. How would you know? Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, well, I'll just leave that be. Yeah, that's true. Looking to get a rotation down at 10 o'clock rather than my my hoped for pop to the pivot, but that's okay. All right. That takes me out. I'm going to short it all the way to the bottom. Let's see. Let's just be silly. I'm just being silly, guys. Do not ever do this. See, as soon as I place my short orders, see me at the bottom? Yeah, you know about that. You know about the bottom, don't you? Watch out for the power bottom. I gotta get hold of myself. I'm a little off the chain today. I'm just very happy that I made a comeback. I made a second entry because if for those who joined me late and were scoffing at my 15 minutes trading, I have seen countless times where you get a push to a pivot point, and that's exactly what it did. So I won on that one. The second one didn't continue and stop me out. I was going for a pivot point you don't see on this chart, but then I had a second entry that of course worked by this big bull candle. So I'm good. Let's see what happens. It's gonna stop me out or make a bull flag to the psych. Could be a bull flag, could be a rotation down. I know. All right, now we're gonna rotate at the bottom. Get me some more orders. Keep in mind, this is a sim account. I've already made all my money on my funded. There's no need to be greedy. What if we get a pop here though? What if this turns into a bull flag? Gotta be ready for that too. More likely that it rotates down though at this point, because there's a lot of sell side liquidity to claim. Yeah, but we'll see. They could keep oh yeah, you want to go higher? Let's go higher. That way I can regale you with some more beautiful creed. This could be a beautiful bull flag. Can you take me higher? If that's the case, I'm gonna try to trail it with a 1-bar trailing stop rather than just go for the psych level to see if we can get all the way up to this pivot point. Yeah, let's see. Pop it up, bulls. Show Dr. Neiman what a power bottom looks like. Check it out. We're about to get stopped in. I don't know how many contracts. Let's see what happens. Now we're just gonna go for a test of the psych level. Is it gonna do something here? Or is it gonna just flop around like a fish? Oh man, I'm getting tired. I need a nap now. Looks like we're gonna get a bull push to the psych level. Let's see. It happened. I don't even know how many orders that are up there. Pretty exciting. I don't know what my risk is. Doesn't really matter because I'm not trading anything but a sim. Already made my money for the day. I love having a quick Friday. Good way to start. Let's pop it up, shall we? Pump it. Keep it going. I'll do that. Bam. Keep it going. The fake bull flag. It's the type I get in the most. One of the 32. I'm the master of the 32% loser bull flag. Apparently. Whoa, that actually worked. How much did that trade make? That trade made, so that Thesis worked. That sim trade just made $1,200 on my mega order. All right, let's see if this bull flag can rotate to this pivot. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. A demonstration of liquidity vacuums, orders at key levels. In summary, I'm about to go. There's no need for me to hang around at this point. But what did we do? Let's have a summary. We had a push to a pivot. I thought there would be a continuation to the trading view pivot, which ultimately happened, but first it stopped me out. Then we got our push to the trading view pivot. Then we had a bull flag push to the psych level. It's exactly what happened. See, there were orders sitting to sell at the psych level. So, perfect. What a day. Mr. Joseph Trades had a good day. Don't tell anybody. All right. Till next time.